మీరు చూస్తున్న ఈ ఛానల్లో మీ ఇంటర్వ్యూ లేదా వ్యాపార ప్రకటన కావాలంటే ఈ ఫోన్ నెంబర్ను సంప్రదించగలరు. ఫోన్ నెంబర్ 9948 99422.
హాయ్ హలో వెల్కమ్ టు తెలుగు శివనయం గోవా ఛానల్. ప్రజెంట్ మనం అయితే మిరామర్ బీచ్ లో ఉన్నాం అనమాట. మైమర్పించే గోవా సైన్స్ సెంటర్ అయితే చూడబోతున్నాము. చాలా చాలా బాగుంటది అనమాట. మనకి దాని గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడానికి ఉగోబ్ ఉన్నాడు. హాయ్ బ్రో, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
Yes, hi.
హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
Yes, I'm good.
యా, ఈయనే మనకి అన్ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారనమాట. ఓవర్ టు యూ. ఏమేమి ఉందో అంతా నువ్వే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలి, అన్ని చూపించాలి.
Here you can see, this is the rocket you can see. So this is actually the Chandrayaan 3. You must have seen the ISRO initiative taken by the ISRO during the Chandrayaan 3. And here you can see that Tyrannosaurus Rex, which is a large lizard king dinosaurs during his period. He is called as a lizard king. So he is during the ancient, almost before 80 to 85 years ago. So this is a PlayStation you can see. This we have recently installed this PlayStation for the small children from below age say 5 or say 3 to 5 years children. So here you can see different slides for the children. So children come here for the picnic, family picnic or school picnic. They enjoyed here and they play on this PlayStation. So this exhibit is named as a straight line or a circle. So here you can see a oscillating pendulum kind of thing, and here the from here you have to observe. So when you are oscillating this pendulum, you can see when I'm oscillating oscillating both the pendulums, and when I'm looking from this vision, so you are oscillating it parallelly, but they are like, seems like they are looking coming to each other. So this is one exhibit, turn it faster. Here there is one plus less than 1, and this is action reaction. So this you all must be familiar with action reaction, that is a Newton's third law. So where every action has the equal and opposite reaction. So in this you can see one umbrella is that mushroom kind of umbrella, and one ring is there you can see. So when you are sitting on that chair, and if you are rotating, that you are in opposite direction. And coming to this, turn it faster. So here you can see the two weights besides you. So when you are taking the weights away from you, when any other of your friend is pushing you, taking away, so the speed will remain slower little, and when you are taking towards you or at in the center, the speed will rotate faster. And here is actually, if you are trying to hold one of these weight and try to lift, you cannot lift with the one weight, but if you are lifting with both the weights, you can lift it easily. So this is a newly installed exhibit. You can see human gyroscope. So actually here the two-person has to sit. You can see the two seats, one with the blue and one with the red. Two-person has to sit, and you can take the full 360-degree rotation. So when you are taking the full 360 degree rotation, there is one wheel you can see over there, silver color, that helps to rotate. And here the scientific reason is like angular momentum is coming into picture. So this is a whispering garden, just now you have saw. So here you can see the two yellow, this one is over on my right, and one is on my left. So these are the two reflectors, and one with that circle and the three sticks you can see. They are just the focal point. So when anyone is talking, you can, the sound is just hitting that reflector, and it is coming parallelly and hitting it back. Here you can see this is a mist. So here the water droplets are getting formed when they are passing through the air. So that's why it's creating a mist, and you can see the beautiful rainbow because of dispersion of light. So normally you can see the rainbow during the rainy season, but because of these water droplets and the air, you can see the rainbow over here. So this is a prehistoric park of ours. So here you can see This is a glyptodon. There you can see a silky mammoth, woolly mammoth. There is a Yuntatherium, and this is two kind of dinosaurs. This is Brachiosaurus and this is Ankylosaurus. So this is all the prehistoric species, different. That Yuntatherium is one of the species of hippopotamus. So this is the fun science gallery of ours. So here you can see this is a newly made lion from the bottles with the dust or the bottles, you can say plastic bottles, and there are various different exhibits. So this is one of the energy exhibits. So there are different kinds of exhibit in this fun science gallery, that is electrical, mechanical. Then we have related to the color shadows, different exhibits, illusion. Then you can see this is supplemented reality for the small children. So children enjoyed coming here and they enjoyed with this supplemented reality. There you can see the anchors, old ancient anchors, how they would like to be, and now you can see they have been upgraded to the metal ones. And similarly, there you can see a mirror section is there, and one more section we have science of ocean. And here different gravity related exhibit and center of gravity. Then we also have a center of gravity. So this is a mirror section of ours. So here you can see different exhibit related to the mirror. So this first exhibit is the ghost walk. When you are walking through inside, it is just like you are moving outside, just a ghost walk. You are actually walking in but feeling like you are moving outside. Then here you have the true image. You can see the true image of yours. Here we have the cylindrical mirror. So here different exhibits with the lion. Then here you can have a different looks of different types of mirror. We know different types of mirror, but here you can have the actual mirror look. So how many different types and what are the ancient types of mirrors we had. Then here you have the trench with the mirror. We had made a trench with the help of mirror. Then here half you half me is like one glass, one mirror. Then we have also the mirror maze. It is a bhul-bhulaiya, you can say. So if you are going inside, it is just like a bhul-bhulaiya. When you are moving inside, it is like not finding your way. So you cannot find a way. It is just like it is the same way. So mirror maze we also have. Then we have the infinite train. This well you can see made up with the help of mirror, and many more exciting exhibit with the mirrors. So now we are going to explore the science of ocean. So come to the science of ocean. So here you can see a different kinds of oceanic science. Here how the origin of universe begins, then birth of ocean takes place, then different air pressure, temperature, then how the tides occur, then formation of waves in the seas. You must have seen most of the beaches on Goa is famous for beaches, so you must have seen on most of the beaches how this formation of waves takes place on the beaches. Then breezes and trades of winds on the beaches, then oceanic pool, then we have frozen ocean. We also have the aquarium over there, and here you can see a cylindrical kind of thing with the mentioning that which kind of species of fishes we can find in that particular zone. So there are different kind of zone: dark zone, lead zone, ocean, twilight zone, sunlit zone, different zones where. So which fish we can find in that particular zone. Then altitudes. Then also we have the monsoon. Then how we can see the light in the ocean. Then salt farming. All different kinds of these things are there in the ocean.
भैया so many videos are coming from ocean ka ये rectangular waves and aura fish and some fishes are coming outside the beach because of so many issues in beach. Yugantam coming, all are trolled. It's right.
Yes. So actually, the fishes are moving outside because of the over pollution. So nowadays you must have seen in most of the industrial areas, then different areas, they pollute all the this remaining of the industries, and they sewage kind of thing they put inside the beach or in the lakes. So it got polluted, totally polluted, and that's why these species inside the beaches, lakes, they're moving outside.
How many zones are in ocean?
So these are all together total 5 zones. You can see sunlit zone topmost, then twilight zone, then dark zone, abyss zone, and at the top bottommost is the heddle zone.
Huddle zone.
Yes.
Huddle zone fishes, please tell me the few names.
No, heddle zone, there are mostly few species, but exactly I don't know which are the some of the few species, but actually 99% you cannot find the species in the heddle zone.
Okay. Only dark.
Yes, dark and the abyss zone. Dark zone, you can see this this kind of fish you can see in the dark zone. That is a kind of little starfish or those kind of fish you can find in the dark zone.
Okay. Twilight zone.
Twilight zone, normally you can see the whale over there.
Yeah.
Yes,
Whale.
so whale, this kind of fish you can find in the twilight zone.
Twilight zone. Okay. In sunlight, dolphin.
Yes, sunlit zone is the commonmost dolphin, all different fishes which we are eating actually you can find in the sunlit zone.
Okay. Aura fish, which zone?
Aura fish, I think it will be coming in a twilight zone. Aura
Twilight
fish.
zone. Okay. Aura fish only coming outside because Antam coming smash the world. So many trolls are coming. It's right or not? We can see. Okay. What is this?
Yes, this is actually the frozen ocean you must have seen. So this is all the penguins. So this is just the setup how the frozen ocean can be explored to the students in the scientific way. So here penguins, how penguins are getting favorable to that conditions in the ocean.
Penguins
Frozen
and
ocean.
bears.
Yes, penguins and bears.
Not cheese beers drinking.
Yes.
Tella beers anamata nalaga. What is this?
So these are actually the oil exploration. How ancient people used to explore the oil from the beaches, from this ocean and all. So now here you can see these are all just a few years back. Now the advanced technologies has come with that. So now this is not actually using via.
Yeah. Okay. What is this one?
This is fishing food from sea, commonly used in Goa. How the fishing is done from the sea. So the fishermen you must have seen, they take that this boat or they go inside with the ship and they with that net they poaches with the fish.
Okay. What is this one?
This is scuba diving.
Scuba diving.
Yes, scuba
Yeah,
diving.
in Goa chala famous.
Yes, Goa. You must have in Goa the scuba diving. You can enjoy in the this Kalangut side. You can have this scuba diving this experience. Yes.
You do?
No, I didn't do the scuba diving.
Why?
No, but still we are staying in Goa. I didn't not anytime I got a chance.
వాళ్ళ ఊర్లో దొరికేవి వాళ్ళు తినరు అదే బాధ. వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్ వన్?
Yeah, this is actually the recreation and sports. What are the different sports we can have with the water? So different. You must have seen the river rafting, then different sports.
వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్ వన్? కేకా?
This one is corals. Corals is just like the when anything is it is just generally attached to the reef.
Okay.
Yes, a reef of the at the bottom of the ocean, it is attached to the reef, and when it is getting matured, it is getting detached from it. It is growing on its own.
Okay. What is this one? Stones?
Yes. So this is actually the minerals found in the ocean. What are the different kinds of minerals? We are just digging. You must have seen in the mining area. So they just got all the minerals from the ocean.
Okay. What is this one? Rotate?
This is a sonar. This is one of the sound application. This application is basically used in navy peoples to navigate.
Navigate.
Yes, navigate.
Okay.
So when they are traveling in the ocean and if any problem it creating any problem on that way, so they are just on the graph of that. They got a display on the graph that anything is there below down. So they just navigate there. They just take the way side.
What is this one?
This is ocean thermal energy conversion. Basically, how water energy we can use for the electrical energy.
Electrical energy.
Yes.
Okay. These are under.
Like in the sea, what are the different species in the sea we can find and different species.
Oh, wow, nice. Okay, this is the globe.
Yes.
We don't touch globe in outside. Inside, we want to touch it. Yeah. What is this? Only globe or
Yes, only globe. These are just the physical features of the globe, and what are the different. You can just see different oceans: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. You can just highlight on this globe.
Okay, okay. These are only all ocean. India, we are in this place, Goa. What is this one?
This is just a virtual ocean. How you can see on the ocean on the TV. So you can just look at the virtual ocean things.
Okay, okay. All are nice. Yeah. Press the switch.
Yes. So this is Whirlpool, Oceanic Whirlpool. You must have heard about tornado.
Yeah.
Yes. So it is the same. How this tornado is getting created because of the moving air. So when air is coming with a high speed, it creates a. Now you must have seen. Within a few minutes, you can see a king-like thing over here. So that will get, and if anyone is trapped in between, you will.
Going down.
Yes, it will
Oh.
suck you in.
Wow.
So it is just like creating a pressure and it takes you in.
That's-
Just like creating a vacuum kind of.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
That's why I'm not going beach. This is the yeah.
Yes. Now you can see that king formation is happening,
Yeah.
and in the some while you may be seeing that, you might see that. Yes. Now you can see that whirlpool rotation.
అగో ఒకవేళ మనకు భూకంపాలు వచ్చి ఏదైనా ఓషన్లో చిక్కుంటే ఇలా పోతాం కిందికి అలాగా
So this is the
తిరుగుతా ఉండాల దాన్నే మనం ఏమంటాం
tornado.
టొనాటో
Yes.
వావ్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ ఓన్లీ డౌన్
Yes. It will go down and it is keeps on moving. It is not staying at one particular place. It is keep on moving further.
మూవింగ్ ఓకే ఆంధ్ర నుంచి తెలంగాణ నుంచి అలాగా బోర్డర్స్లో పోతా ఉన్నాం వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ వన్
This is actually the wind, how the ocean currents or the ocean winds is traveling. So if you are, this is, you can see the globe. So this is another hemisphere, that is down in the southern hemisphere, and this is equator. So we are on the almost at the equator. From both the sides, we are almost at the equator. So how the oceanic currents are traveling from northern to south or from the equator point of.
ఓకే నైస్ వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ వన్
Actually the tides. So you must have observed in beaches on the ocean. In the ocean, you must have observed that sometimes it is high tides, sometimes it is low tides. So how this formation of waves is like high and low is based on the full moon day and new moon day.
Okay.
Yes.
In so many beaches, only sunset happens. In Goa, sunrise happens.
Yes. Sunrise happens early
when-
in the morning. I say around nowadays it is almost around 6:45 to 7.
Beach view.
Yes, beach view, or if you are on the top of the mountain, if any mountain is on a mountain also, you can have the view.
ఓకే సూపర్ అదనమాట మనం చాలా అంటే తెలుసుకున్నాము ఇగో ఇవన్నీ ఓషన్స్ ఇవన్నీ చాలా అంటే ఇలాంటి దగ్గరికి వస్తేనే మనం ప్రతిదీ తెలుసుకోగలం ఇది సైన్స్ ల్యాబ్ అనమాట ఇంతకుముందు మనం చూసింది ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్స్ బయట చూసింది
Science park.
సైన్స్ పార్క్ అంత మామూలుగా ఉండదు అంత వేరే ఉంటుంది అనమాట ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేస్తే వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్ వన్
Yes. So this is actually the how you can see the light in the ocean. So you must have seen most of the ocean when the ocean is clear, you can feel like it is blue in color. So how actually it is blue in color? It is not actually blue in color. It is because of light. So when the light is traveling in a water as a medium, in just water is acting as a medium. When it is going inside the water, what happens? You can see these 7 colors, 7 rainbow colors, whip gear. So
rainbow.
Yes, rainbow colors. So in this what happens actually, these two colors, that is blue and green, so these two colors they are going deep inside and all these color are getting penetrated on the surface.
Okay.
And these two colors are going inside and it is hitting back, so that's why you can feel like ocean is kind of bluish greenish. Yes.
ఓకే సూపర్ కలర్స్ గురించి కూడా మనం తెలుసుకున్నాం అంటే ప్రతిదీ తెలుసుకోకపోతే మనకేమీ తెలియదు కదా సూపర్ హాయ్ చూశారు కదా చాలా అంటే చాలా బాగుంది అక్కడేమో డాల్ఫిన్స్ ఇక్కడేమో బేబీ డాల్ అనమాట చాలా అంటే చాలా అద్భుతంగా ఉంది కంపల్సరీ మోర్జిమ్ రోడ్ దగ్గర ఈ వాషన్ పార్క్ అయితే ఉంది కంపల్సరీ వచ్చి విజిట్ చేయండి అదిరిపోయే అంటే అన్ని ఇక్కడ చూసారా భూమి కూడా చాలా బాగుంది అంటే విజువల్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ కూడా చాలా బాగుంది ఇక్కడ బియర్స్ హాయ్ డోంట్ ప్లే హియర్ ఐ ఆమ్ గోయింగ్ వెళ్ళిపోతున్నానులే వాటిని కూడా చెప్తున్నా అదనమాట. మరీ ఇలాంటి మంచి మంచి కంటెంట్లు చూడాలంటే తెలుగు 70mm గోవా ఛానల్ని లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. కెమెరామ్యాన్ ప్రవీణ్తో ఆదిత్య సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్. బాయ్ బాయ్, వి లవ్ యూ.